Good morning, students. Today, nationalism, Gandhian peace. History, unit number 8. Yesterday, we saw round table conference, 3 round table conferences, 1930, 1931 and 1932. And Gandhi-Irvin Pact, I taught you. And then communal award, yesterday I told you. The depressed classes. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the leader of the depressed classes, yesterday I told you. Today, the continuation of this lesson. Listen here carefully, students. Campaign against untouchability. Mahatma Gandhi worked hard to abolish the untouchability. The Gandhi was our father of our nation. He insisted untouchability is a sin. Untouchability is a crime. Untouchability is a inhuman. Gandhiji wanted to abolish the untouchability. Untouchability means what? Tindamai. The lower caste people were treated cruelly during that time by the higher caste people. Like Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Sudras is there. Brahmins were at top in a position and Sudras were lower in a position. The Brahmins treated Sudras cruelly. The Sudras were suffered a lot. This is known as untouchability. Gandhiji discussed with Ambedkar during that time. An agreement was made in between Ambedkar and Gandhiji. Yesterday I taught you the Ambedkar was the leader of depressed classes. Gandhiji and Ambedkar discussed about the caste system during that time. Particularly the lower caste people wanted to uplift. The depressed classes, seats were allotted for depressed classes. Reservations were allotted for the depressed classes. So, the caste system was established during that time. Gandhiji and Ambedkar, both of them joined together. And the development of caste system, they involved more and more for the development of caste system. Gandhiji shifted Satyagraha ashram at Wardha. Satyagraha ashram was started by the Gandhiji and it was at Wardha. After that, Gandhiji went on a Harijan tour all over India. He went on a tour all over India, particularly the Harijans. Harijan means depressed class people. After that, Gandhiji was started Harijan Sevak Sangha. Harijan Sevak Sangha was started by Gandhiji. The importance of Harijan Sevak Sangha, the main aim of Harijan Sevak Sangha was removal of discrimination. Discrimination means what? Parapacham. Without any discrimination, all are equal in the society. In our country, all are equal. But during that time, discrimination were influenced during that time. Gandhiji saw this and he wanted to remove of discrimination. He worked for the particularly he worked for development of education, cleanliness, hygiene. The important aspect of the Gandhiji was temple entry movement. The campaign of untouchability, the main aim what you know, temple entry movement. Gandhiji worked hard for the temple entry movement. During that period, the depressed class peoples were not allowed to enter into the temple. So, Gandhiji worked hard for the temple entry movement, like Devadasi system like that. In the Devadasi system, the women were not allowed inside the temple. But with the effort of Gandhiji, the temple entry movement was started in January 1933. They announced the temple entry day. January 1933, Gandhiji was announced temple entry day noted. Beginnings of the socialist movement. The Russian Revolution was started in 1917. 1917, Russian Revolution was started. In Russia, most of the people were followed the communism. Russia was one of the communist country. During that time, Russian Revolution, when Russian Revolution was started in 1917, Communist Party were exist in Tashkent in October 1920. Communist Party was started at Tashkent in October 1920. M.N. Roy, Abani Mukherjee, M.P.T. Acharya were the founding members of the Communist Party. It was started in India also. British government suppressed the communist movement in our country. British government suppressed the communist movement in our country. M.N. Roy, S.K. Danch, Muzaffar Ahmad and M. Singaravelan were arrested for the Kanpur conspiracy case in 1924. In the Kanpur conspiracy case in 1924, these leaders, main personalities, M.N. Roy, S.A. Danch, Muzaffar Ahmad and M. Singaravelan were arrested by the British government. Foundation of the Communist Party. All India Communist Conference was held at Kanpur in 1925. All India Communist Conference was held at Kanpur in 1925. Singaravelan was preside over the meeting conference. Preside over the conference. He was founded the Communist Party in India. After that, the Singaravelan founded the Communist Party of India. Then, after the conference, Communist Conference in Kanpur, these Communist Party was converted into All India Workers and Peasants Party in 1928. Noted. Revolutionary activities. After the All India Workers and Peasants Party in 1928, the revolutionary activities were started. The young people of India, withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement. After withdrawal of non-cooperation movement, Gandhiji started the violence method in 1924. Actually, Gandhiji followed non-violence. Already I told you. But during that time, Gandhiji revolutionary activities were started. When the revolutionary activities were started, Gandhiji involved in violence in 1924. Hindustan Republican Army formed in Kanpur. In 1925, Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashraf Khan were during that time, these people Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashraf Khan, during that time they involved in looted because of the government money were carrying by the train at Kakori in Lucknow. At Kakori in Lucknow, government train carrying the government money, lot of money were carrying by the train. At that time, these money were looted by the Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashraf Khan. Looted by these people. So, they were arrested. Both Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashraf Khan were arrested at Kakori conspiracy case. Because of train carrying lot of government money. These people were looted these money during that time. So they were arrested and finally the capital punishment were provided to these people. Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashraf Khan. Many people who are all joined to the Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashraf Khan, they were put into the jail. Once again, listen here carefully students. Campaign against untouchability. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, he wanted to abolish untouchability. He discussed with the Ambedkar for the purpose of caste system. The lower caste people want to uplift the depressed classes. Many reservations were allotted for the depressed classes after the agreement of both Ambedkar and Gandhi. Okay, then next he shifted ashram at Wardha, Satyagraha ashram at Wardha, and he went on Harijan tour all over India. Gandhiji went on Harijan tour all over India, and then he was started Harijan Sevak Sangha. In the Harijan Sevak Sangha, main aim of Harijan Sevak Sangha was removal of discrimination. He worked for the development of education, cleanliness, hygiene. The important one of the campaign against the untouchability was temple entry movement. During that time, many people were not allowed to enter into the temple. The upper caste people dominated the lower caste people. So during that time, the campaign against untouchability, the temple entry movement was started January 1933 the day of temple entry were established. Beginnings of the socialist movement. Russian revolt was started in 1917. Russian Revolution was started in 1917. During that time, the Communist Party all over the Russia, Communist Party only exists. Many people followed the communism. But in this Communist Party, followed by the people of Tashkent in October 1920, M.N. Roy, Abani Mukherjee, M.P.T. Acharya were the founding members of the Communist Party. British government suppressed the communist movement. Finally, M.N. Roy, S.A. Dant, Muzaffar Ahmad and M. Singaravel were arrested for the Kanpur conspiracy case in 1924. Foundation of the Communist Party. All India Communist Conference were held at Kanpur in 1925. Singaravel was the president over the Kanpur conference in 1925. Presided over the meeting by the Singaravel. He founded the Communist Party in India. Singaravel founded the Communist Party in India. All India, after that, the Communist Party was converted into All India Workers and Peasants Party in 1928. Revolutionary activities. In Indian young peoples, youths or lads, young peoples joined together and withdrawal of non-cooperation movement during that time. Because of non-cooperation movement, non-violence method were followed. But Gandhiji decided after the non-cooperation, withdrawal of non-cooperation movement, Gandhiji wanted to start violence method. In 1924, the Hindustan Republican Army was formed in Kanpur. Hindustan Republican Army was formed in Kanpur. In 1925, Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashafaullah Khan were during that time. These were two persons involved in looted the Kakori conspiracy case. The trial carrying lot of government money. At that time, these two people, Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashafaullah Khan, looted the government money at Kakori. It is in Lucknow. Kakori is in Lucknow. So, these Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashafaullah Khan were arrested, and finally capital punishment were provided to these people who are all joined to these Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashafaullah Khan. They were arrested and put into the jail. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students. I am going to complete within 3 days. I am going to complete all this lesson.